Are you considering mediation for your divorce settlement but don't know how to get started? Don't worry, it's not a difficult process. To get started in mediation, all you have to do is pick up the phone and call me. Intake calls take between 20 and 30 minutes per client, and I'll answer all your questions and we can get the process started. Intake calls are confidential. They start the process of narrowing down your issues and your concerns. One of the first steps in the divorce mediation process is to help you and your spouse hone in on the key issues for settlement. At that time, I will also help you separate those matters that are strictly emotional from those that we can practically settle in the mediation process. At Graine Mediation, the majority of all sessions are conducted with both parties in the same room. One of our first tasks is to share the information which is essential for settlement. On the client's side, all of the facts relative to your family's finances, budgets, and projected future monetary needs must be put on the table. If there are children, their emotional needs and schedules must be fully understood too. Many clients want to know how their cases would have been decided in court if they didn't come to mediation. Though there's no exact answer, I will share with you how cases are usually decided in Northern Virginia in terms of both the law and the legal culture in our area. I will also provide information about Virginia divorce law generally and point out where the law is unclear. We will also discuss the short and long-term financial and tax implications of various settlement implications and options. Experience and knowledge matter in this area, where client cases present complex financial issues. I am a certified divorce financial analyst, a former divorce attorney, and family court hearing officer. This background is key to my ability to help families through their divorce settlement. If you have children, I'm also able to provide you with current information as to what the experts are saying with regard to the impact of divorce on children. Of course, how your divorce will impact your children will depend on their age, the co-parenting arrangements chosen, and how the two of you interact post-separation. Informed consent is necessary for fair settlement decisions. It's the mediator's job to make sure that both parties understand all the information necessary to make good settlement decisions. That includes information related to the law, your family's finances, future financial implications of various decisions, child-related matters, their schools, careers, real estate, and all information necessary for you to make sound, long-lasting divorce settlement decisions. As a mediator, my job is to even the playing field for the negotiations. Though I won't be deciding the issues or imposing solutions on your case, I will make sure that each of you understand the other's positions, and I will facilitate the negotiation process. The final stage in the mediation process is the actual drafting and signing of the property settlement agreement. This document, which also includes all issues related to your children, usually takes a few drafts to perfect. Once the property settlement agreement is in final form, clients come to my office and sign with my notary. Once signed, your property settlement agreement is ready for filing with the court.